Turkey. What up, guys? This is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I hope you guys can hear me with the new. I'm sure you've been enjoying the trade videos. We've been making some profits. We're making zero profits on the account. We started with 10,000. Remember, if you want to join the free signals for 3 months to test it out, message me trial on Telegram. Telegram link in description below. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. And yeah, you'll be able to join the free signals for 3 months. There's signals out. We try to post daily signals every day. And if you don't have time to copy the signals, let's say you're at work, you're at school, you're busy with something, message me, copy on Telegram, link description below also. And you'll be able to connect directly to my account, and whatever trades I take, it copies directly on your account also. You need to have at least $350 to $500 on your account to be able to copy my trades. Because of the lot sizes, it's going to automatically convert. However, I'm going to use hedging as an exit strategy also. So for your account to be able to handle all that, you need at least $350 to $500 for that. But for the free signals, you can start with about $50. So yeah, if you want to learn how I've been scalping my accounts, and people have questions, how am I doing this, how am I doing that? Obviously, I'm not going to explain. You have to message me. You have to get the course. If you are questioning about the software, what does the software do? It tells you when to buy, where to sell, for both system A and system B. It tells you where to hedge. It tells you market direction, and all you have to do is look at this analysis, read it, know exactly what is going on in the market, and then use my system to decide if you want to buy, if you want to sell, whatever you want to do. Take a system A trade, system B trade, scalp trade, swing trade, as you've been seeing in my scalping videos. So, like I said, system B is a way to make a lot of profit, and system A is a way to make fast profit very quickly. I teach my students live by sharing my screen on Zoom, or I've met some of my students in person. And yeah, so if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Or you can just get the free stuff, stay subscribed, click the notification bells, and click all notification bells on. Make sure you share the Telegram group also for updates. And we'll see what trades we have for today in the market, and we'll see what the market has to give to us. Now, for the copy trades, the profit is split every month, 80% to you, 20% to me every month. And yeah, that being said, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section below. And it helps with the algorithm, and it helps to bring other people to the channel, and helps create more videos that you want. Like I said, you suggest what type of videos you want to see, and I'll make sure I bring those type of videos up, and we keep getting those views up. This is going to go on consistently. I'm going to keep on uploading for the next couple months. I want to see how long I'm going to do, 6 months, 1 year if possible. I tend to take long breaks sometimes, but I'll try not to take my break more than 2 weeks this time maximum, and we'll see how far we can grow the account. The last account we started with 250, we were able to grow it to over 90k in profits. You can watch that, it has one playlist also. And yeah, with that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so and see what the market has.
Hey guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. The last time we had this account, let me just go to the 5 minutes time frame. Last time we had this account and we took a trade, we took a system B trade that gave us a large profit. I'm seeing another opportunity for actually 2 system B trades. I'm gonna take the first trade. Let me take my stake profit, set it. There you go. All right, so that should give us about over $100 in profit. I could actually go for the long-term system B trade, but we just started growing this account, and I just want to start racking up profits quickly. Maybe I'll re-enter the trade again later on, but I want to go for the first system B trade, the closest one I see. We're already pushing very quick into profit, or maybe I'll just go for the long-term one. We'll see. I'll go for the closest one. If the volume reduces, then I'll take the profit and re-enter again. Anyways, with that being said, if you want to learn how I do what I do, go to hedgingmastermind.com. My name is Solomon, and we've been growing this $10,000 account so far. We started with the hedge. Hedging is a way in which you see we had a 140 loss. However, I was able to at the same time make over $200 loss profit to cover the loss, and actually make profits on top of it. So that was the first trade that we had on our account. This is the system B trade that made us about $440. I have 2 scalping systems, system A, which gives about small profits, as you can see, $9, $10, $19, $50, $60, gives us small quick profits. And then you have system B trades like this that gives big profits, bigger profits. And how do I find this? I use my system. and which I teach. I teach how to scalp with live trades. I teach my students with live trades. I share my screen on Zoom. I teach my students how to hedge, which was the first video on this account. If you check the playlist, I teach my students how to hedge. I teach my students how to swing trade. And when you get the course, it comes with this software. This software does all the analysis for me. This software tells me when to buy. This software tells me when to sell. It tells me the market direction. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Because when you hedge, you need to know the trend. Most of you are just buying and selling. You don't even know the trend. You don't know the market direction. And it tells me where to exit my trades. Most of you don't know where to exit. It tells me where to hedge my trades. Most of you don't know where to exit. I promise you, if you are using hedging as a system to exit your trade, not the stop loss. Even hedge funds don't use stop loss. Banks don't use stop loss. Everyone that is trading over 100 million is using hedging as an exit strategy. It's the way to compound your account fast. It's the way to grow your account fast. You can never be 100% right in the market. The market can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants. And that is why you should always stay ready. The dumb people are always trying to beat the market. I'm always trying to understand the smart money trader, I'm always trying to understand what the market is going to do and then follow the markets to profit. Software shows me shows me the analysis without any bias, because some people, when they do the analysis and it says bullish, even though the market changes to bearish, they keep on buying till they blow their account. When the market changes trend, I change trend also. I'm not here to fight the market. I'm not here to beat the market. I'm here to make profits with the market. And this is what I show how to do. If you want to get my signals for 3 months for free to test it out, and you have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account with, message me trial on Telegram. The link is in the description below. And for those people who do not have time, maybe you're in school, maybe you're at work, you can just connect directly to my account. You need at least $350 to $500 in your own account to be able to connect to my account, so that you'll be able to take the lot sizes and trades that I take. Message me copy on Telegram for that. Link also in the description below. And we'll be right back on this video or this screen recording once we're into more profits in the market, or once we get to our first target. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back soon. All right, guys, and we're back. I just have to close this trade very quick. It hit our my first take profit. And yeah, I'm going to re-enter. The market went down a bit, then went all the way up, and then came down again, finally to hit the take profit. We made $120 in about 3 hours scalping this account. Yeah, because we started very, very early in the morning, So we made about $120. Like I said, System B always gives huge profit. I'm going to enter this trade again to go for the next take profit, which is down here at about 150.4 mark, okay, which the software is showing me. And I'll record that for the next video. However, for now, yeah, we've made $120 profits. Plain and simple, easy, done for the day. We're still growing the account. We've grown the account with about $700 profit so far. $700 on 10,000, that's about 7% profit so far on this account. And we'll continue to trade it and see how long we go with this account. Like I said, it's very easy. I do this live with my students. Make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members, and we're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year, which I'm very sure we will do. If you have any messages, link in the description below. Join the Telegram group for updates. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. When you click the notification bells, click all notifications so you're notified on our shorts live stream, because sometimes I do free live stream analysis and videos being uploaded. You don't want to miss any videos. We have a playlist where we're putting all these videos step by. I don't record all the videos, however I do record most of the videos, or the good ones, like hedging, large system B trades, very quick system A trades. And yeah, you will see that in the playlist. I will be growing this account with you. Remember, if you are looking someone that will trade live with you, most of you learn, but you are not taking live trades with your mentor. You are just reading books, taking courses, but no live trades. You can see that my software on the side, the software gives you a lot once there's a trade forming in the market. You can see on the left side, it's saying new sell forming. Okay, like I said, I'm going to have to enter another sell trade. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to ask questions, put that in the comment section. It also helps with the algorithm. I will always answer every comment that is made on the channel. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trading video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and also tell me what type of videos you want to see, what type of vlogs you want to see. Put that in the comment section, and we'll be right back with another trade in the market soon. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead.